In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by opening one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and accessing it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this square button. Now you need to hold this app and click on this little icon of two rectangles on the left. Lastly, click on Home button and tap on any other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!